And we are live! Hello mga kakwento, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So I'm so excited today. We'll be hearing from someone truly remarkable, originally from Cavite and now residing in UK. She's a nurse, a loving mom of two, and the same time a successful digital business owner. So imagine that juggling a full-time career, motherhood, and a business. So today, she will share with us her real story, her doubts, her journey, and how she made this business work for her and her family. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get inspired as we uncover her story from Cavite to UK, from nurse to entrepreneur, and from dreamer to doer. So please welcome my guest, Lailani. I will add her to stage. Ayan, sis.
Hello.
Thank you so much for your time na mag-guest sa aking show, di ba? Show, Kape at Kwento. Please introduce yourself, sis.
Oh naman, thank you for inviting me, Sis Laurie. And yes, I'm
Welcome.
Lenny, and thank you for introducing me for a short one. But just to comment, I'm a mom of three. I'm not a mom of
Sorry,
two.
mama, three ba?
Yeah. Well, yeah, as you mentioned, I'm originally from Cavite. So, Imus Cavite po. Laking Dasmariñas, Imus Cavite. Kasi my mom is from Imus and then my father is from Dasmariñas. So, for those who are watching, magandang umaga po. Ay, magandang hapon na dyan. Magandang umaga dito sa amin.
Yes.
So, yeah, I've been here. I came here in UK 2002. I work as a nurse. Alam mo naman pag ano lahat tayo noon when year 2002 we all work so hard. As a nurse, very noble naman yung job natin. I'm so grateful kasi I reached that stage na sabi ko, oh, lahat nag-aalisan na and you know, our salary is not much to save money because we have our dreams to have our own house, we are to help our parents, our family back home. So there you go. So I flew here as a single looking for greener pastures kasi ganyan naman tayong lahat na Pilipino. Start tayo sa sana maging mabuti yung buhay natin, mas maganda at mas maayos para makatulong sa lahat. So yun, since then, start ka na, oh, sana madala ko si nanay dito sa UK, magkasama. But then, hey ho and below na ano naman siya, nasa America siya that time. And my wish that time is, oh, I have to go to UK, to America so that I will be with her. But you know, destiny's fate happens that I met my husband here, and we you know build our family. So there you go. I have three amazing children. The two are already in university. I'm so proud of them because they reached their another milestones of being in the university. One is year third year now in law, and the other one is starting the university this year, first year university. And my last one was 15 years old. So she's my baby. That's my baby now, 15 years old. So yeah. So anyway, as a nurse, it's a very hardworking job, you know. Long shifts, dito 12-hour shifts sa atin. I don't know if we're doing 12 hours, but before when I worked in the Philippines for 6 years in ICU and dialysis, I worked 8 hours but then 5 or 6 days on calls and there. So I said it's too much. So I came here, but I worked 12-hour shifts and for 3 days or 4 days. So alam mo yung exhausted ka, pagod ka, and then still it's not enough. So at that time I said, what can we do? We need to have extra yung plan B, extra income streams that we can use while you're at home, while you're with your family, with my child, my youngest one, so that at least able to help as well my mom back home. So that's why I said, oh, I want to have another one that I can do while I'm at home. So there you go. Thank you, sis.
Okay, thank you, sis. Um, paano ba i-pronounce yung name mo? Lailani or Lalay
Lani,
or
but you can call me Lani.
Lailani? Okay. Lani.
Lani for
Okay,
short.
tama.
Kasi
Tama yung
nakakabulol yung may
pronunciation ko.
Lani. Yeah,
Okay, Lani. Lani na lang, sis. So, I'll
mm.
go with my first question. Pero yung first question ko, how did you find this business and what made you decide to become a digital business owner bukod sa binanggit mo kanina na you need to find
Medyo
a way kasi nga
mahaba.
hindi sapat, 'di ba?
Oo.
Okay. So, yun yung first question ko sa'yo, sis.
Oh, thank you, sis. You know what? I didn't realize that I will see this business actually. A friend greeted me happy birthday when I reached my golden years, my 50th. And she said to me, and but beforehand, I saw her ads or in the streams that I platform in one of the platforms saying, oh, you want to join the business, something like that. So I asked her, what is that business that you are doing? So, but before that, I look for, you want to have something to do that I mentioned because the pandemic happens, and that time I realized my husband got sick that one, very very ill, and I'm so scared. And I said, life is too short. I have to make the most of it with them, especially to my children and to my husband. And that wakes it's like a wake up call that you prefer to be with them all the time. As you know, if you are working all the time, you miss some of the milestones of your children. And one of my stories, when the children are young, we have to take turns like what we're doing now. We take turns on working. If I'm working today, he will be off at home to look after our children. And what happened is I have to wake up very early, 4 o'clock in the morning, and then get ready, go to leave the house at 5:30 to go by train, and then those traveling takes 2 hours to reach to your hospital, and then you have to work 12 hours. My daughter that time is still a baby. Tapos tulog pa siya bago ako umalis. Pagdating ko, 9 o'clock na ng gabi, tulog na siya. So, alam mo yung wala ka ng time para makapaglaro sa kanya or anything. So, that's the feeling that it's, as a mom, it's not easy. And at dito wala ka namang makakatulong as much as yourself or your husband. So talagang it's very hard. So that the time that I said, it's not easy. And then inflations and the expenses are going up. So now that there are universities, I want to help them more and support them. I miss all those some of the milestones of them. So as much as possible, when I saw this business, I said, this is give more time for us. It will help us to have more time, more, flexibility to be able to travel more. Although, being a nurse is very noble. I mean, it helps us a lot. Financially, it's able to support our family as much, but you want to help more and to support them more. And that's why we are here. I'm here to able to help them and to provide more for them, because this would be a plan B. I said to myself, this would be my plan B, but it will be a future plan A for myself. Kasi hindi naman tayo laging malakas. Ako nga, nararamdaman mo na yung aches and pains at the age of 50 plus. So that's the time that you will say, oh, is it really, fair enough that you have to have extra income streams that you can be doing while you reach your retirement age? Kasi hindi naman yung pension natin, it will not be enough. Kasi you want to have a comfortable life, and also in case of emergency, you have something in your pocket that you will able to use. And that is why I joined this business, because I see the what's it the capability of this one, the great opportunity that will able to help us while if we are wanting to retire early or you want to have more time with your family in the future, you have something to hold on to. So thank you, sis. I hope I answer your question.
Yes, yes, that's inspiring. And sabi ko nga dun sa best friend ko, kasi she's also a nurse in NHS in Shrewsbury. Hello, hello, Donna Bells, my best friend, my BFF. Kasi nga laging masakit na yung likod niya. So I also encourage her to find other side income katulad nitong online business natin kasi hindi naman tayo bumabata. So hindi natin kaya mag-work physically, 'di ba? And also syempre yung time freedom na mabibigay ng business. And mas maganda kasi yung meron tayong peace of mind na alam natin na in the future, alam natin na hindi natin kailangan isipin, 'di ba? Kung saan tayo kukuha ng financial, 'di ba? Yung pambayad ng bills or whatever kasi as we know, 'di ba, yung pension hindi naman din gano'n kalaki para ma-sustain yung comfortable retirement, 'di ba? Maraming salamat sis sa reply mo sa question ko. Yung number two, were you skeptical, doubtful, or fearful before you started?
It's a mixed feelings. That's a very good question because absolutely, you don't like me. I'm a nurse. I don't know anything about social marketing or this kind of thing because our mindset, like me, I was trained as a nurse, so I don't have any education about marketing. Di naman tayo pinalaki noon ng mga anak. I mean, my family is not about business or anything back home. So really skeptical, pero I took a leap of faith. Why? Because I saw that in this business, na-meet ko yung mga tao natin, na-meet natin yung sa community that even though they are ordinary, regular people like us, makita natin na they are able to live, change their life to be a better version of themselves. Kasi hindi naman ako tech savvy. Hindi naman ako, wala, mostly no, before I just use my platform, social platform, just to share my um, pictures to my family. That's it. I'm a very shy person. I don't have any, way of saying this one, showing to my face, talking to online people like this one's interview. But then, this business helped me to realize that it's very easy to do that because why? They provide us step-by-step training. This training is very easy to follow kasi pwede mo siyang balik-balikan. Pwede mo siyang in your own time. Kasi ikaw yung amo sa business mo, wala namang iba. At business mo to. Hindi, wala bang magtuturo sa'yo, magpo-force sa'yo, do this, do that. No. This is your own, in your own accord. And the more thing this one is you got mentors and also a coach that able to help you 24/7 globally, anytime, anywhere. Kahit madaling araw, kahit umaga, they will able, it's a text message away, sabi nga nila. And the community, we have a very good supportive community that provide us a help anytime and give us helping what you call that one tricks and tips how to be the strategies, how to strategize, how to make your marketing and your business works well enough, and how it will guide you to be a better businesswoman or business owner online. um, Another thing that I want to say is this business share us with proven automation, proven system. It legit po ito, hindi po to scam or pyramid scheme. Hindi rin po to easy get rich scheme na sinasabi niyo overnight, yayaman ka. Hindi po. Kailangan po natin dito ng tiyaga kasi wala naman pong business na nag-start ka ngayon, bukas mayaman ka na. Lahat po ng business ay pinag-aaralan, may consistency po at saka dapat may faith ka at you have to have a strong why bakit ka nag-start ng business. Kasi kung wala po yun, hindi lalago yung business. Sabi nga no isang friend ko, sabi mo may time freedom ka, bakit parang hindi kita nakikita lagi o hindi tayo pwede mag-meet up? So sabi ko, business is a part of it's another way of earning money that you have to work on it. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng um, hindi ka magwo-work tapos may business kang yayaman ka agad. Hindi po. Ito po ay for those who are watching that who are interested to have your own business in your own flexible time, and you have to have your own target kung ano po ba ang gusto mo as or dreams mo. Kasi ako, in my own opinion, if you want to have a perfect life, you need to have more time, freedom for myself. You need to have a self-care. You need to have your time for your family, able to travel more, because I'm so grateful with this business because I'm able to see my mom twice for 2 years now. Uh, 2 years ago, I able to see her in the Philippines ko. So, is hindi po easy ang yung ticket. Pagbili ng ticket is very expensive pati. And the whole family, when we go home, five of us, it's a great deal. So, something like that, that it helps us to able to see mom at home na ang hirap kasi ang layo niya. So, yun yung one of my reason why I want this business because it provides us and support us extra income to help and see her more often in the Philippines kasi malayo talaga. Ayaw naman niya dito. Kaya kami na lang uuwi para makita niya. So, sis, that's my answer. I hope you appreciate my answer.
Yes, sis. Maraming salamat, sis. And mahal talaga pamasahe, 'di ba? From kami nanggaling kami nung 2023 pumunta kami ng dalawa kong anak sa Wales.
Mm.
Tatlo kami mamamasahe and visa pa, 'di ba? So it's very expensive. Pero 2 weeks lang kami doon kasi nga may work ako sa Singapore that time. So hindi ako pwedeng mag-leave more than 2 weeks. So yung time freedom, 'di ba, sa business na 'to, sa ngayon siyempre iisipin mo yung ano 'to, you need to work hard for your business. Hindi mo siya kailangang, gawin as a hobby, kailangan mo siyang i-treat as a business. And then in addition sa sinabi mo yung sa training, um, puwede kang mamili ng language na puwede mong panoorin yung training like English or komportable ka sa Tagalog or meron ding, Cebuano or Bisaya,
Yeah,
yun, 'di
meron
ba?
din.
So, puwede
Yeah.
kang mamili ng ano mo, language mo na komportable ka. So,
True.
naka-relate din ako dun, that's relatable sis, yung doubtful, ayan, sobra din akong doubtful at first. Pero I will go to my third question na. Do you think starting this business is hard?
Um, you know what? Wala namang trabaho or business na madali. Alam mo yon. Pero I'm so excited when I started this business, honestly. Kasi you are eager and you have something that you vision that you really want to do. And that's what I'm always holding on to. They might say that so for other people, oh, ang hirap naman yung ginagawa mo, nagbibideo ka and everything. But that's the thing, it's not like that. When you start a business, you start by learning, um, we have that training that we mentioned earlier. Unti-unti, your mind change because that makes you more knowledgeable and more skillful. Kasi that training that we have, it's not only for business that they're teaching us. It's for our life journey, our lifestyle. How this one actually, I'm grateful because it changed me from a very negative person, very negative na lagi na lang, "Oh, mon pagdating sa abay ang hirap naman ng trabaho, ganyan, yan." But then, we didn't realize that when we wake up in the morning, we have to be grateful. Look, just what we learned that, when you wake up in the morning, you say 10 grateful things that happened to you. That, thank you for this another morning. Thank you for this blessing that we have a roof in our head na we're able to lie in a comfortable bed, that we have water, something like that. So very simple things that you're grateful that you're not sick and you're healthy and fit, able to work, able to provide, and able to help others. That's the main thing. You're not only living just because for yourself, for your family, but also you're living to help others. And I'm so happy as well. Nursing is my vocation since I started it. But then this business is not only in a four corner of the walls. This business is global, and this business provide us the opportunity to spread the good news, or the to help others, to share our stories, our lives, and other people's lives in the community, that they start from a simple, very hardship. They're, ordinary people that become uh, what's it, successful now, and very extraordinary life now, and they're able to travel more, able to, kasi back home when I was young, we didn't realize that there's another life in the other countries. We're not used to go out abroad. We are normally used to go out town, ganun lang, o kaya pag summertime, you go to the beach, something like that. But this one is you able to realize that there are more places that you can see, and you're able to see more if you have available financial income, that you meron kang pwede mong gamitin, na hindi ba mahirap gastusin or mahirap na kuhanin kasi nandoon na sa kamay mo. I know they would say that success doesn't requires perfection. This one is just sharing that you are watching, paano ba to? Pinapanood niyo po kami, kung ano kami nakikita niyo, ganito talaga yung face-to-face reality. Hindi po to yung sinet up ba na ganon. We're sharing our experiences to you kasi nanggaling po din kami doon sa umpisa na, sana meron kaming, sana merong extra income stream. Ngayon, nandito na po kami sa stage na yon that we are sharing to you para ma-realize nyo na meron po tayong choice para magkaroon kayo ng extra income streams online na hindi na po kayo lalayo. Very portable kasi you can be at home using your laptop and phone, basta may internet, and you can earn extra income. So that's the one that it's hard. I don't think it's hard if you are willing, you have faith, and you have a strong wife for that. So that's it for me.
That's powerful, sis. Meron pa bang mas magiging hard kung makikita mo yung mga anak mo na wala kang maipakain, 'di ba? Or magkaroon ng emergency sa family na may
Mm,
nagkasakit na ospital, wala kang pambayad, kailangan mong mangutang. 'Di ba mas
yeah.
mahirap 'yun?
Oo,
Ang hirap
totoo.
nun. So,
Naranasan na
paano
natin 'yun, yung gano'n ba nung bata ako, sabi ko nga, ang hirap pala ng walang makain, as in, at saka toyo lang yung nasa kanin mo. Would you believe that? So you don't want your children na gano'n ang ma-experience. So for my side, sometimes, I'm so grateful that you experienced that one para hindi mo na ma-experience. So you work hard para at least meron kang pagbabago, umasenso ka kasi dahil sa tiyaga, tsaka at yung pagsisikap mo, 'di ba? Yun yun eh.
yes. And mostly kasi sa mga viewers natin, sa mga audience natin, natatakot sila, ayaw nilang gawin tong business because of social media. So parang para sa
Mm.
kanila hard yung i-show mo yung face mo sa social media. Although meron tayong faceless marketing, pero tayo mas prepared natin na nakikita yung face natin. Pero 'di ba, yun nga yung nabanggit ko, mas hard kung hindi natin mapakain yung mga anak natin or kung merong emergency
Yeah,
mangungutang tayo. Yun yung mas hard, 'di ba?
it's
So, mas maganda na mag-shown tayo sa social media since social media era na tayo ngayon. It's better na pagkakitaan din natin yung social media, 'di ba? So, are we selling or bagging friends and family?
Oh, wow. Not really. I don't think so. That my answer is, I would say no, because this one is, you're sharing, as you mentioned, we are sharing ourselves, our stories and everything, what our lives before and now. Kasi this business is for attracting those people who have the same mindset. If you are coachable and willing to learn because you have a reason to be a better version of yourself, this is the right one. Kasi hindi mo kailangang pumunta sa bahay-bahay, kumatok, at ano mo yun, o kaya online mag-share ka ng product at mag-sell. Hindi po, hindi po kami ganon. Wala po kami sinesell na ganon. we have people here attracting those people who really wants to earn money by commissions. Ito po ay by, and we have affiliate companies. May mga companies po kami affiliated. They are uh, what you call that, 50 years already in the business. And legit po ito. Hindi po ito yung sasabihin mo na magkukuha ka, parang yung magnanak ka door to door at makikiusap ka, oh, you have to buy this one. Hindi po. Wala po kaming ganun. Kung meron man po kaming product, eh, hindi po yun yung aming sinesell. This is for those who are people who are interested na maging yung business nila is by commission basis po. So, to help you guys, you can check our website and link there. We will send you the link when you register on our website. So, si Sis Lori na po ang mag-explain yan mamaya. But then, yeah, this one is just to say that wala po kaming selling or anything dito. True automated system po ang ginagamit natin dito at saka marketing strategies. And you're able to see those things by watching our free webinar actually. So, wala po tayong mabebenta, ibinibenta ritong product. So, yun lang po ang aking sagot doon. Thank you, sis.
Thank you, sis. In addition to the legitimacy of the business, 'di ba? Here in kasi based na ako ngayon sa Philippines, when I saw the business, I was in UK. So yung mentor ko, she's a nurse in UK. Pero since hindi naman ako resident sa UK, so my business must be registered in the Philippines. So
Yes.
legit siya kasi meron kaming DTI. So nag-apply kami ng DTI for single proprietorship and meron ding BIR. So nagbayad na rin po ako ng tax. So when it comes to legitimacy ng business, legit siya kasi merong BIR, merong DTI. 'Di ba? Salamat,
Yeah.
sis. And sa mga nakaka-relate sa stories namin, you can register on our website displayed on screen with your name and email para ma-check nyo kung ano yung business namin. Okay, I'll go with my
True.
fifth question, sis. Maraming salamat. How can someone
Kasi
really be successful in this business? Bukod dun sa mga nabanggit mo kanina.
oh, sis, this business is, I would say, if you have our, yung pagtsatsaga, yan ang pinaka, ano, sa ating ang mga Pilipino, matyaga tayo at very, may perseverance ba na i-push through yung gusto natin. If we have dreams in life, basta meron kang consistency, willingness to learn, as I mentioned earlier, basta meron kang normal lang na may takot ka or may doubt ka. That is part of it. But then, you have to take the leap of faith. Kasi kung may gusto kang mangyari sa buhay mo, gawin mo na ngayon. There's no perfect time or anything. As Sis Lori said, this is legit in a way that we are paying taxes. Dito rin po nagbabayad kami ng tax. Anywhere in the country, either Canada, US, or wherever you are, you have to pay taxes kasi po nire-register po talaga namin ito. So, so sa tanong mo sis, those who are watching that you think that, oh, maybe next time na lang, oh, maybe I have to wait for the right time. There's no right time po. We are always, I wait that one for 50 years. I'm looking for something online that I think, oh, I hope I can do this one that with my children. Kasi this is a very handy business that you're able to do it anywhere, anytime. If you're traveling, like you want to go, like now, some of our business partners are already in Rome, attending the convention. So they're doing their business there. And while like me, I'm here in United Kingdom, Sis Laura in the Philippines. So anywhere you can do this one. And that's why I love this business because it makes me it's very accessible. While you have your own phone and laptop with the internet, you can do anything. And we should not be get behind with the online things worldwide kasi lahat binibili na natin online. So dapat naman makisabay na tayo at hindi tayo mahuli. So this is very easy at saka Tingnan niyo naman ginagawa namin, nagkukuwentuhan lang kami ni Sis Laurie dito. Wala po kaming, ah, what you call that, sharing that hindi niyo po maiintindihan. Kaya very simple system that you can follow. So thank you, sis.
Yes, thank you sis. And 'di ba, parang nakita na natin na ang daming mga tao talaga na naging successful dito sa business na 'to. So paano tayo magiging successful? Gayahin lang din natin kung ano yung mga strategies niya. And in our communities, lahat tayo, we support each other. Tayong dalawa, 'di ba,
Yeah,
Sis Lani, we don't know each other. So through the community, nakilala natin, and then meron din tayong mga maraming makikilala, mga inspiring people na talagang ano anong tawag do'n, mag-fuel sa atin para matupad natin yung dreams natin, 'di ba?
true.
So, yung last na lang sis na question ko, marami ka na ring nabanggit, pero ano pa ba yung masasabi mo sa mga gustong mag-work online and pero takot pa rin sila? Sa mga
You
hindi mo pa
know,
nasabi, parang nasabi mo na lahat.
haba ng kwentuhan natin, which is very nice.
Oo.
Thank you, sis. For those who are watching, they say, nothing change if nothing changes, really. So this digital business is about impact of helping others. Kung gusto mo yung makatulong pa sa maraming tao, hindi lang para lang makatulong sa sarili mo. Kasi ano siya, two two birds in one stone, kumbaga. Yun, nakatulong ka na sa sarili mo, nakatulong ka pa rin sa ibang tao. And that's the main thing. You want to have freedom and you want to have generational legacy. What is that generational wealth legacy? So that is, we build legacy for our children. Napapamana natin ito not only to our children but to 3 generations of our family. So, may hand you down. So, hindi lang ikaw yung magiging successful, but the whole family can get that opportunity. So, life is not easy, especially nowadays. Inflation is very high. But here we are. We are giving you the ideas and tips how to start your own big digital business. If you are like me, that working so hard but still not enough, and you think that you need extra help, why not check this one out? Kasi Vincent, the chance, if you just watch us right now, opportunity knock once. And that opportunity, grab it now. Kasi minsan nawawala and then, you know, nami-miss mo yung great opportunity na makakapagpabago sa buhay mo. So, take this opportunity. Especially this October, we have October promo. Matatapos na siya. 6 days left now. So, grab this time na itong offer na to, it will give you a head start kasi it will give you more growth and 4 times extra earn when you start your own business. So, if you're thinking, oh, that would be a good idea, shall we just check the link? Shall we just give your name and email address to Sis Laurie or to my website? That registration, the name and your email address is only just to give you the free webinar that you will understand why we're sharing this business kasi ini-explain na po doon kung ano yung talagang business. So, thank you, Sis Larry.
Thank you so much sis. Thank you sa pag-guest sa aking kape at kwento, for sharing your journey. So, kaya kami nandito to inform yung mga viewers natin and mga audience natin na there is more to life. Hindi lang yung trabaho natin kasi hindi rin din tayo forever pwedeng magtrabaho, 'di ba? Hindi
Yeah.
tayo physically strong palagi. So, kailangan natin ng ibang mapagkakakitaan. And para dun sa mga hindi itong business to hindi lang para sa mga hindi enough yung sinusweldo. Itong business na to is para din sa mga taong enough nga yung sinusweldo nila or marami silang pera pero wala silang time freedom. So isa yon sa maibibigay ng business na ito and also the legacy na pwede mong iwan sa family mo, 'di ba? Kung mawala na tayo dito sa mundo. So
Wag naman,
thank you
pero
so
that
much.
stays, yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, sis, for sharing your journey from being a nurse abroad to becoming a thriving digital business owner. So your story reminds us that no matter where you are or what season of life you're in, we can always choose growth, freedom, and faith over fear. Sorry for that. So to everyone watching, if your story touched you, maybe it's your turn to take that small step toward your own digital journey. So don't wait for the perfect time, sabi niya nga, 'di ba? Because sometimes the right time is now. So stay blessed, stay inspired, and keep moving forward. And share ko lang sis, kanina, while I was watching the 2023 Mastermind, sobrang na-touch ako dun sa journey ng isa sa mga business partners natin na from po from poverty talaga. As in, ngayon, she was able to help hindi lang yung family niya, she was also able to help kahit yung mga kapitbahay niya doon sa Pampanga. So, sobrang naiyak ako. And then, yung natutunan ko kanina, bukod sa marami kong natutunan ko din yung sinabi niya na success is not about money. It's not only about
Mm,
money.
yeah,
Success is about the people that you meet, the lives that you touch, and the lives that you have changed. Super, di ba?
true.
Super inspiring. Ayun. So,
Yeah.
thank you so much, Lani, Sis Lani, for your time. So, thank you for
You're
spending your
very
time with
welcome,
us.
sis. Thank
Yes,
you.
sis. Okay. Yes. And let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. Coffee time na sis. Maaga coffee time ko ngayon. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you want to learn more, you can direct message me or Lani, sis Lani, or sign up on our website at www.loriramos.com and for Lani, www.lanilegaspi.com. So thank you so much. We will send you the link for the free info session. Okay, God bless us all and good afternoon. Good morning sa UK. Bye-bye.